salary increase by age for various companies. We look at a hospital and now we're looking at a tech company. We want to consider both of them. Do you understand? We want to consider both of them. Now, if I call it dev y based on developers, right?
How we call it Z? How we call it Z? How we call it Z?
Whatever you want to call it, it's your code. Whatever you call it. But we are calling it Z. Make sure that when you are explaining it, you will not say that it's on the Z axis. You know there is X, Y, and Z axis. So that will not confuse somebody. For someone who is inclined Z, you say yeah, they are doing rubbish. Okay. So the next thing we will do after that is put PLT dots S, Y. So you come here again and say and make an now PLT dots. So you say X, comma, say dev Y. Dev Y. And now we can run this code. Okay? We can run this code. Should I still leave the code for us to see or?
Yes.
Okay. Just run the code when you're done. Is your laptop working now?
It's not this thing.
They've gone far.
Yeah. They don't like to play
How is your look like? How is your look like? Nice. How is your look like? It's more speed. You use sequential values. So who else has done this? Who else has done this? Yo, how is it looking like? Why are you having what? Is it the same values you use? You know, if you use the same values, you just plot another graph on top of another graph. You get? If you're using the same values, no, you cannot use the same values. Use the same values. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to plot two different graphs. So if I plot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's going to cover that other graph. So
sorry.
Yeah, isn't it? Sorry. Yabi. Okay, not bad. We'll read your data from this. Not bad.
Okay, then the screen.
This data, you will hardly see data like this. You will hardly see data like this. Exactly, I'm just making this fine. When you see data like this, as a data scientist, you sound good now. So, this one is looking nice. Most of the time, it's going rougher than this. You're the one that will have to now start finding ways to clean your data. So, are we done? Whether we'll find out to clean data. Okay, so this time. Okay.
Not good friend.
So, there's one more. What's the
Go and meet us to give us a data. Go and meet us to give us a data.
Why all go different? What's up?
I'll give up.
Give on now. What's up? Give on now. What is actually going on with you?
Account number of files. Account number of files. You discover that this one is less than. You have it here, you have it here, so it's not going to work. So find the missing value there and just place something. That's the issue. See, whether if your data is looking for you, just leave it. Just leave it. Just forget about it. Because like I said before, you will not have neat data. It's very hard for you to get neat data. As a data scientist, it's very, very hard. This my own is fine. It's because I wanted to make it fine. It's not like as if it's going to be like this every time. So, okay. I've all plotted out.
Yes, sir.
Alright, now, from this data now, we can infer something, we can see something that, yes, what is going on is now, as your age is increasing, your salary is increasing. But, now, let's say I want to choose between being a doctor, I have to choose between being a tech guy. I want to choose between being a tech guy. I want to choose between being a doctor. And I look at these data sets, and I'm not going for passion, I'm going for money. I'm going for money.
You go for tech.
Yeah. Which one will you go for? You're going for money now.
Tech.
You go for tech, right? Because tech, yes, both of them as your age is increasing, your salary is increasing, but because tech is the pay of tech is higher.
Yeah.
Than doctors.
But they see this deep in this.
Yeah,
place.
there's that deep, but would you consider that deep in regards to the doctor's salary?
Zero.
So you get what I'm saying now. You get what I'm saying. So this is a simple analysis that we just done. We do not write much codes or anything, but with this just this visualization, we'll be able to like tell our clients that okay, if we want to tell our clients that okay, if you want to go into medicine and surgery, it's not bad, but look at tech. Tech is actually paying higher, and as you're growing, as you're getting older, your pay increases. So yes. So this is just one part of it. Okay, let me just interpret your own now. Well, okay. Now, for your own day, if you have to look at on the long-term run, let's look at this on the long-term run. I would go for medicine here. I'll go for medicine here. I have my reason. If you take this, look at this, as the older you get, the more your pay. But this is actually coming down. Your pay is reducing as you are getting older. If you, however, everybody must have 3 days, 4 days or something.
Something else, if you notice, like the difference at the initial stage,
is
so big that
it's so big.
even the loss at when you are older self, it's not like up to
so now.
Or when you talk of continuity and steady growth, yeah.
There's steady growth.
But there are some points that
At your
there will
age,
be deep.
At your age, depends.
It depends. So it depends on what your own plan in that is. Look at it now. We're already analyzing data. We're already analyzing data. So it's simple. So sometimes people like to make it seem like it's very, very hard, but in that sense it's easy. I think it, to me, it's easier than the normal code itself. Easier than normal code. So it's more of you being able to think. Like he said something just now. If you look at it at the initial stage, your pay is actually way higher. There's a very big difference. So unless you are someone who plans working this year and you chop all your money, but if you are saving and you want to invest, you can go for being a tech person instead of being a doctor. Do you understand? Okay, now there is also something we can add to this particular data to make it, because now if I have to show you this, you'll be able to know which one is the doctor and which one is the tech person. You won't be able to know because you're just seeing an orange line and a blue line, which is not making sense. So we need to actually give it keys. What we call it legends in data science. We call it legends. Sorry about that. Taking about some. So if we want to get our names now, what we just do is this. We say PLT dot legend. For our legend now, okay, let's just say just copy this. There are different ways to write your legend, but let's look at this style. And look at it now, it's looking better and better and better. So we're working on the data set and it's making more sense. It's making more sense. As we're going for that, it's making more sense. So we know that the doctors are the ones on the blue lights and the developers, software developers and all that, they are the ones on the orange line.
So we don't really indicate what line. So is it like the, how would I put it? The one before.
That is it now. This is one way of doing it. But like you said, you put the first before the second. But if you put the second before the first, it's a an issue. So the way you can do this now is indicating, you put your legend, but you indicate your keys directly. Okay, let me do it so that there's a question he asked. He said that which one do you place first? That is an issue. Because you may have multiple. You understand? You have multiple data sets. This one we're just dealing with two. We're just dealing with two. So let's look at an easier way to do it. So instead of doing it like this, you can see. Let me come here. Let me copy this. Control X. Then the first one, XY, is for my doctors. So I will say label is equals to this. I'll put doctors there. I'll say label is equals to developers. And clear everything inside my legend and everything like this. And run my code. So this the way is better than what I just did before. It's better than what I just did before. So with this one now, you'll be able to understand that okay, this is for this and this is for this. Instead of trying to know, okay, if you now make a mistake, maybe put developers before doctors. It's an error already. The person reading that graph will believe that doctors earn more than developers, or if there's any other way around, maybe developers earn more than doctors, which is not meant to be so.
Alright.
So we understand what we just did here.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I think we will not go further. That other functions, we can change the style of our lines, we can make it broken lines, we can do all that, but we'll later. Let's go to another type of visualization. Do you understand this one? Are we sure?
Mine is not sure.
You're only not sure. Your legend, did you move it?
Yes.
You move the legend totally.
See this column when they the last place.
Put the legend back. Look at it, my legend, and you don't move it. You see there. I only cleared what was inside the bracket. If you don't put that legend there, it's not going to show.
But why is everybody's own graph is different? Why is everybody's this
Everybody's
different?
different data we use.
I thought it's the same this way.
I just decided to scatter data so I will look at it in different ways and we'll be drawing different inferences from it since. Like his own now, when we look at his data set, when we look at his own data, we discover that as you grow older as a doctor, your salary increases. But as you grow older as a tech guy, your salary reduces. Though the pay for a tech guy is still higher. But when it comes to that maximum pay, which was 30 something, you discover that the tech guys now start earning lower than the doctors. So it's for you now to pick which one you want to be. Do you understand? Alright, so I believe this makes sense and well as to what we just did here.
Yes.
Any questions?
You understand?
Any questions? Any
I don't know
questions?
since I don't know why. I just
Okay. Yes, it says automatically.
So next time I come,
Next time you come here,
Tell the video.
like I told you before, just change that from title to be made to be so that next time you come here, you just access it on your home page. Any other question?
You can see the one we did yesterday.
Eh? The work of yesterday. It will be saved as. Did you save it?
You said it's to save automatically.
I know, like, sorry, did you rename it?
No.
So it will be saved as untitled. It's saved as untitled. That is just available. If you don't save it, it will save as untitled. So you always, I mean, if you don't give a name, save as untitled. So always give it
Save
a
as.
name. Always give it the name that you want it to have. So are we together? Alright. Now let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Now we thought of correlation. Look at the correlation between it. I don't want to plot a correlation heat map yet. I don't plot a correlation heat map. But let's look at other stuff. You can delete this. Don't do this for your own look, please. So let's look at okay. Let's look at creating a bar chart first. Let's look at creating a bar chart. Okay, should we use this same data that we just created?
Yes, sir.
We use this, but we should not use that. Okay, what will happen is when you can try using that one. That's that data that so I try using that one. So let's just use this one now to create a bar chart. It's still the same thing, no difference.
So are we using here? Are we still using here?
don't worry. If you get the
All together, no much difference. So now for our bar chart, what's your bar chart tells you? What does your bar chart tell you? You know that there's a difference between bar chart and histogram.
Bar.
You can give your histogram space chart, but that is like normal yes, what they taught us.
Yeah.
What they taught us, what they're teaching us. You don't give space in one, you give space in one. Fine and good. But sometimes you discover that if you give space in you don't understand it better. So what's the main difference? Okay. Your histogram deals more with frequency of your data. How often is your course? How often your course? Unlike your bar chart now that you can say, okay, this is the salary, and if I use the same way we created our 9+, we can create our bar chart like that. Do you understand? You can compare two different variables with your bar chart. But for your histogram, you are dealing more with frequency. Okay?
Which one? You know there's one that they say you can connect, I think it should be histogram voucher, that you can connect. You know we have
Okay, like the top
of the
that
bar.
is your histogram. So when you are doing that with your histogram, you're trying to know if your data is skewed or not. You don't mean not skewed.
Yeah.
Your data is shifted to the left or is shifted to the right. Now there's something I was trying to explain yesterday when we were dealing with talking about visualization. Talking about something like okay, I talk about the company now. The company where you have different people earning different salaries. You will not say that the CEO of that company and the person cleaning, maybe cleaning around the company have the same salaries, there will be a very, very big difference between them. So you discover that most of the data now, let's say, most look at people cleaning the company and the CEO of that company now. Or, okay, rather, let's say once look at the people cleaning that company alone. So you start seeing something like, okay, in a month, people are paying $500 for cleaning the company now. $500. You discover that data now, it's of those other persons will be accumulated towards one side of your histogram. Based on your histogram, you started from 0 to this, to this, to this. So if you started from 0, let's say maybe that is maybe 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, right? 0, 100, 200, 300, 500. So you discover that those people are earning within that range of $100 to $500 now. They will be packed up towards one particular set. Okay, let me tell you something. Instead of saying this, let's say, okay, so we want to look at people now earning, what did I say just now? Salaries of people that are in the company now. So we'll see, let's say, yeah, you use bar charts. Bar charts is when you're comparing two things. You don't compare with this single, just frequency. So let's say company cleaners. Then I create a list, and let me say there are like how many persons should I use now? Okay, let me say 5 persons now. And they are earning from $100. Other person is earning 125. Other person is earning 135. Other person is earning maybe say 200. Other person is earning what? 60. No, no. Other person is earning.
They can earn 60 now.
Okay, let me just say 60.
Depending on the area.
Let's say 60. These 5 persons now, right? Now, I'm not going to like go deep into this, but let's say I want to plot our histogram now. Let's say plt dot hist, then put your cleaners. Now if I run this, what our something like this. So looking at it now, our data is not really that far apart. And we'll see that from 60, there's only one person earning that amount. Then let's say 120, 140.
One person for all of them.
So one person from all of them. That is 2, okay, 1, 4, 5. Yeah. So it's complete. So in general, we have to like this. Let me say I had another person like every person at 130. If I run this now, so that it will increase based on there are 2 persons now within that range. There are 2 persons now within that range. So it will increase.
But I thought this one is bar charts, have you?
No, this is histogram.
Okay.
And this is why I said if you're looking at histogram, be very careful not to mistake it for your bar chart. Be very, very careful not to mistake it. Because if you look at this now, you will feel that this guy now is earning the highest because the bar is very, very long, which is a lie. It's just telling me that there are 2 persons earning that particular amount.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
So you don't look at bar chart and histogram the same way. If it was a bar chart now, it's going to be a different case. In the sense that in a bar chart now we will have the person's names, or we'll have their maybe janitors, data scientists, computer scientists, stuff like that. Then you have to see of the company somewhere. That will be on your x-axis. Then it is their salaries that will be on your y-axis. But in this case now, the salaries is
In the
Exactly on the
x-axis.
x-axis. But the amount of persons any this particular amount is just what our y-axis is telling us. So don't mistake them. Don't mistake them.
But
Now,
this from the list there, we have 130.
Okay,
Someone is sending
okay.
130, one is
Okay,
sending
another
135.
point.
Why is it that the two are just, I don't know, it's like the same amount? I don't understand.
they say something.
Okay.
I mean, if this one is sending, like this one is two people, then it's supposed to be, let's say, two people earning the same amount.
Two people ending from the range of this plane.
It's
130.
It's only like 60 to a particular amount.
Alright.
Maybe let me say 90 to 100, 120 to a particular amount. This let me say 130 now to 140
something.
for something you get.
Okay.
So that is the way it is. It's not like as if there's any magic happening. It's working in ranges. It's working in ranges. Now, there is something I want to point out. Let's say they give you a data set. For you to know that there's different ways you can identify errors in the data set. They tell you, we are giving you the data set for people cleaning this particular company. The people you now have the data set like this. They now see somebody earning $9,000 yeah, and the person is a cleaner. So what happened? Now, you see the data like this.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know that there is something wrong with this data. Either the output was, either what the person inputted was wrong, or the
data given.
The data, yeah, there's something wrong with that data. Because you cannot pay someone that is cleaning in that particular company. They're not going to ask questions about the company.
So this one is in the range of,
Yes, that guy is in the range of $1,000. That will just tell you 0 to this. So these people now are want to determine how to increase the salaries of these guys. If we have to look at this data set, and we create a machine learning model based on this, it's become biased towards the guy, because you guys discover that the prices of all the cleaners in that company now, the prices of their salary now will increase too. Just what I just said. Like, we want to give these persons a raise in their salary. We want to give these persons a raise in their salary. But we do not know how to do this yet. So we want to use data science to be able to know who and who you know use. Or let me say, okay, let's do something like this. Let's do something like this. Let me say, let's pay attention. Let's say you look at the same thing. Money is missing in your company now. Money is missing in your company, something like that. And you know that these particular persons now, this is the amount they are meant to take from the company post. And the amount they are meant to take from the company post is falling within a particular range. Do you understand? Now, if you want to know the person that is
any high
company, yeah, over like it's taking more than what it is. This is one way of doing it. We're not doing cyber security, but if you look at it in a way, it's looking like it was no, this is not cyber security. So from then you know that okay, this particular guy is the one that's trying to make my company bankrupt. So from then you know how to deal and lash out to him.
I get.
So just analysis. So it makes sense, right?
Yes.
Do you understand? Any questions? Okay.
I want to carry Basha.
Eh? Okay, let's look at bar charts. Do this time as so I'm just trying to brush up. Let's look at the bar charts. Look at the bar
How
charts.
is the Basha compass?
Your previous code,
Yeah.
when we created a live show, you can copy it and edit it while I'm creating this bar chart, you can copy it and edit it. But if it's going to be too complex for you, just start again from the beginning. And it's just, so the first thing we will do now is the same thing we'll be doing. We'll take our age of workers. But no, start again. Like you all cut it small. Just cut it small. Create another cell. Then from here now, the first thing we'll put is age of workers. Put age of workers. Don't copy this particular code that I'm writing. It's just a code like better. Don't copy that code. So open a new cell. Now I want to create a bar chart. I'm saying you can copy and paste from the previous codes that we created, but don't copy my own. How do I say? Don't copy this particular one. But if you copy it, then you'll be moving faster than what we're going to be doing. So let's talk about bar charts quickly. So from here now, we have pages of workers, and the next